O2B Technologies has made a big leap in business technology by connecting Odoo and Bill.com, creating a smooth invoicing experience for businesses like yours. In today's fast-paced world, it's crucial to make things easier and more efficient. O2B Technologies has successfully combined Odoo, a top-notch open-source business management tool, with Bill.com, a cloud-based platform that automates financial tasks. This partnership offers a complete invoicing solution that can help your business thrive. So, what do you think about it? With Odoo's wide range of business apps and Bill.com's smart financial automation, you can now streamline your accounting and invoicing processes. This integration helps you eliminate the hassle of manual data entry. Whenever you enter information on one platform, it automatically updates on the other, reducing errors and saving you time. But it's not just about syncing data. This integration gives you better control over your invoicing. You can create invoices in Odoo and easily manage payments through Bill.com, making the entire invoicing process seamless. By using O2B Technologies, integration streamlines financial management, making invoice tracking easier and reducing time spent on transactions, so you can focus on growing your business. In short, O2B Technologies is dedicated to helping businesses like yours succeed. The Odoo and Bill.com integration allows you to enjoy a more efficient, automated, and error-free invoicing process. This means less stress and more success for your business in today's competitive market. For more info on Odoo, visit our website, www.o2btechnologies.com, or contact us info@o2btechnologies.com. O2B, a certified partner to Odoo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share.